Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Face 972 is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any makeup artist's kit, designed to deliver flawless application and seamless blending for a professional finish every time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your makeup journey, this brush offers unparalleled control and precision, making it a standout choice for achieving complex looks and everyday enhancements with ease and efficiency. Number 5. Bdellium Tools Studio Series 714 Flat Eye Definer Brush. Discover the Bdellium Tools Studio Series 714 Flat Eye Definer Brush. Its precision tip is designed for effortless eye definition. Crafted with exceptionally soft synthetic fibers, this brush glides smoothly across your skin. Experience a gentle yet effective application every time. Achieve sharp, clean lines for your eye looks. This tool is perfect for creating detailed definition with ease. Designed for professional results, this brush is a must-have in any makeup collection. It offers superior performance for flawless application. The eye-catching yellow handle adds a pop of color to your makeup bag. It's as stylish as it is functional. Whether you're a makeup artist or a beauty enthusiast, this brush will become your new favorite. Elevate your eye makeup game with this essential tool. What we like? This brush offers exceptional precision for detailed eye looks. Its flat definer shape allows for sharp lines and tight lining. If you are looking for a tool to create sharp eyeliner or define your lash line with accuracy, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The bristles are soft and dense, making it easy to blend foundation. It applies foundation smoothly and evenly without streaks. The brush is well made and feels sturdy in hand. Number 4. Bdellium Tools Studio Series 957 Precision Kabuki Brush. Discover the Bdellium Tools Studio Series 957 Precision Kabuki Brush. This essential tool is designed for flawless makeup application. Achieve perfect results with its precision kabuki design. It's ideal for versatile application across your face. Experience the ultra-soft synthetic fibers. They provide a gentle yet effective touch on your skin. This brush is your go-to for a variety of makeup looks. It blends seamlessly for a professional finish. Enjoy professional-grade quality in your daily routine. It's designed for both makeup artists and enthusiasts alike. This vibrant yellow brush is not only stylish but highly functional. It's a must-have addition to any makeup collection. What we like? Experience ultimate versatility with this dense kabuki brush. It's designed for a wide range of applications, from powder to cream products. If you need a single brush that can handle multiple steps in your makeup routine, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This brush is amazing for applying highlighter and contour. The bristles are soft and blend product beautifully. It's a great brush for detailed work and getting into small areas. Number 3. Bdellium Tools Studio Series 999 Master Blender. Discover the Bdellium Tools Studio Series 999 Master Blender, your new essential for a perfect makeup application. Experience its superior design and quality. This brush is expertly crafted with soft synthetic fibers. It ensures a smooth and flawless finish every time you use it. As part of our professional studio series, it's built for performance and durability. Achieve salon-quality results from home. Adorned in a beautiful rose gold finish, this tool is as stylish as it is functional. It adds a touch of elegance to your makeup collection. The incredibly soft synthetic fibers feel gentle on your skin. They pick up and blend product beautifully for a seamless look. Whether you're a makeup artist or a beauty enthusiast, this master blender is designed to be your go-to tool. It simplifies your routine and elevates your makeup game. What we like? Achieve a truly smooth and flawless finish with this master blender. Its fibers are expertly designed for seamless blending of eyeshadows and powders. If you prioritize a polished, airbrushed look and want your makeup to meld beautifully, consider this brush. What people say. This brush is perfect for applying highlighter to the tops of the cheekbones and the bridge of the nose. It is also great for blending eyeshadow in the crease. The bristles are soft and dense, which makes it easy to pick up and distribute product. Number 2. Bdellium Tools Golden Triangle 968 BDHD Makeup Brush. Discover the Golden Triangle 968 BDHD, a premium makeup brush designed for professionals. It's crafted with all vegan and soft synthetic fibers for a luxurious feel. Experience the difference with its incredibly soft, vegan synthetic fibers. They ensure a gentle touch on your skin while providing excellent product pickup. This brush is your go-to tool for versatile application and seamless blending. Achieve flawless makeup looks with ease, from foundation to eyeshadow. Boasting professional-grade quality, this brush comes in a striking blue color. It's a beautiful and functional addition to any makeup collection. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential tool. Its thoughtful design and high-quality materials make it a must-have for achieving professional results. What we like. This brush is crafted with all vegan and soft synthetic fibers, making it a great choice for conscious consumers. It excels at versatile application and blending. If you are looking for a cruelty-free option that still delivers excellent performance for both applying and blending makeup, this is the one. What people say. This brush is amazing for contouring and blending. The bristles are soft and dense, making it easy to pick up and apply product. It's a versatile brush that can be used for both cream and powder products. Number 1. Bdellium Tools Studio Series 792 Eye Blender Brush. Discover the Bdellium Tools Studio Series 792, your new essential for flawless eye makeup. This brush is designed for ultimate precision and ease. Achieve seamless blending and effortless application with its perfectly shaped dome. It glides smoothly across your lids for a professional finish every time. Experience the luxurious feel of its soft synthetic fibers. They are gentle on the skin while ensuring product pickup and distribution. Part of the renowned Studio series, this tool is built for durability and performance. It's a must-have for both makeup artists and enthusiasts. Elevate your makeup routine with this double dome blender. It's ideal for creating depth and dimension in your eye looks. Add the Bdellium Tools Studio Series 792 to your collection and transform your eye makeup game. Experience the difference quality makes. What we like. Enjoy effortless application and blending with its unique double dome shape. This design is perfect for seamlessly diffusing eyeshadows in the crease and lid. If you struggle with blending or want to achieve a diffused, smoky eye with ease, this brush will be your new best friend. What people say. The bristles are soft and dense, making it easy to blend foundation for a smooth finish. It picks up and applies product evenly without any streaking. The brush has a good weight and balance, feeling comfortable in the hand during application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.